Hey there, future English superstars. Are you ready to make English your new best friend? Because today, we are going on an amazing adventure, right into your daily life. We're going to learn 100 super simple, super useful English sentences. These are sentences you can use every single day, just like magic words. Now, listen closely. Every single word you learn today, every sentence you practice, is like adding a new superpower to your brain. You're not just learning English, you're building a bridge to new friends, new stories, and a whole new world of possibilities. So, take a deep breath, give yourself a high five, and let's dive in. You've got this, and I'm so excited for you. All right, let's start our day, shall we? Imagine you just woke up. What's the very first thing you do? Let's learn how to say it in English. 1. I wake up. 2. I open my eyes. 3. I stretch. 4. I get out of bed. 5. I make my bed. 6. I go to the bathroom. 7. I wash my face. 8. I brush my teeth. 9. I comb my hair. 10. I get dressed. 11. I go to the kitchen. 12. I eat breakfast. 13. I drink water. 14. I pack my bag. 15. I put on my shoes. 16. I say goodbye to my family. 17. I leave the house. 18. I walk to school. 19. I ride my bike to school. 20. I take the bus to school. 21. I arrive at school. 22. I go to my classroom. 23. I sit at my desk. 24. I open my book. 25. I listen to my teacher. Wow, you just learned so many sentences about your morning. Every small step, every new sentence is making you a language superstar. Keep that amazing energy going. You're doing fantastic. Now, as the sun climbs higher, your day unfolds with new opportunities to learn and grow. Let us embrace these moments, one simple sentence at a time, and watch your confidence blossom. 26. I learn new things. 27. I read a book. 28. I write in my notebook. 29. I draw a picture. 30. I play with my friends. 31. I eat lunch. 32. I share my snacks. 33. I help my classmates. 34. I ask a question. 35. I answer a question. 36. I go to the library. 37. I use the computer. 38. I do my homework. 39. I play outside. 40. I ride my scooter. 41. I kick a ball. 42. I jump rope. 43. I sing a song. 44. I listen to music. 45. I take a break. 46. I drink juice. 47. I eat a fruit. 48. Conversational. I talk to my parents. 49. Determined. I help with chores. 50. Excited. I play a board game. Feel that energy? That's the power of learning flowing through you. Every sentence you master, every concept you grasp, is building a stronger, more confident you. Keep that light shining brightly, because you are truly remarkable. All right, folks, gather round. It's evening time and you know what that means, right? It's time for some serious fun and maybe a little bit of homework. Don't worry, we'll make it hilarious. Because if you can laugh while learning English, you're basically a linguistic superhero with a cape made of giggles. 51. Focused. I do my homework. 52. I eat dinner. 53. Helpful. I help clear the table. 54. I wash the dishes. 55. I take a bath. 56. I take a shower. 57. I put on my pajamas. 58. I read a bedtime story. 59. Excited. I play a video game. 60. I watch TV. 61. Conversational. I talk on the phone. 62. I play with my pet. 63. I water the plants. 64. I take out the trash. 65. I feed my pet. 66. Determined. I clean my room. 67. I prepare my clothes for tomorrow. 68. I brush my hair. 69. I put away my toys. 70. I charge my phone or tablet. 71. I write in my journal. 72. I listen to a podcast. 73. I play a card game. 74. I help cook dinner. 75. I set the table. See, even the most ordinary things can be extraordinary when you add a little English and a lot of laughter. You're not just learning sentences, you're building a super-powered vocabulary that will make you the funniest, smartest and most amazing English speaker around. Keep that smile, keep that spirit and keep learning. You're a star. As the day gently fades and the stars begin to twinkle, we find ourselves in a quiet, peaceful moment. This is a special time, a time for reflection, for feeling the warmth of your heart, and for appreciating all the little steps you've taken today. Let these sentences be a soft whisper, a gentle reminder of how far you've come. I feel tired. I feel happy. I feel calm. I think about my day. I am grateful. I miss someone. I say good night. I close my eyes. I dream. I sleep well. I feel loved. I am proud of myself. I am thankful for my family. I look forward to tomorrow. I am a good person. Feel that quiet strength within you. That's the magic of your journey. Every word you've learnt today, every sentence you've spoken is a testament to your incredible spirit. You are growing, you are learning, and you are becoming more amazing with each passing moment. Rest now, knowing you are truly wonderful. And remember, tomorrow is another chance to shine even brighter. I close the curtains. I turn off the light. I get into bed. I snuggle with my blanket. I think about my dreams. I feel peaceful. I am safe. I drift off to sleep. And just like that, you did it. You just went through 100 daily routine English sentences. Give yourself a huge round of applause. You are absolutely amazing. Remember, learning a new language is like building a super cool tower, one brick at a time. And today, you added 100 strong, shiny bricks to your English tower. Don't stop here, my friend. Keep practicing these sentences every single day. Use them when you wake up, when you eat, when you play, and when you go to bed. The more you use them, the more natural they will feel. You've got this incredible power inside you to learn anything you set your mind to. Keep that curiosity alive, keep that smile bright, and keep speaking English. You are a language champion, and I can't wait to see all the amazing things you'll do. See you next time.